the return of the birds over Warren Country Club. Thousands of them migrating over Singapore. There are birds of various sizes, small as a palm, and then as big as a wingspan of 2 meters. Look at these. What an awesome, wonderful sight of birds flying over Choa Chu Kang. And here is the Kranji Secondary School, and I'm at this HDB block overlooking this marvelous sight of migratory birds. I estimate there are easily about 2,019 of them, celebrating 2019 and welcoming 2020. What an awesome, wonderful sight of God's creation. Awesome. Look at these birds. Birds are warm-blooded, and the temperature of Singapore at now is about 27 degrees centigrade, and is about sunset. Look at the beautiful sunset, and there are some more here over a higher altitude flying above. They just open their wings because there's this natural updraft of air that helps the birds to propel forward. And you can see here there are actually several hundreds of them resting on the treetops here, the canopy of the trees. What an awesome, wonderful sight. I should have asked my student from one academy to come and enjoy this beautiful sight, which I personally witnessed it. And this is awesome. And you can see thousands of them over the streets of Johor there. Those high-rise buildings are in Malaysia, Johor Bahru. Thousands of these birds. And I'm very privileged and thank God for this opportunity to allow me to admire His creation and a beautiful, awesome sunset. Thank you. Thank you.